How to disable notifications for your Wise application. Hello guys, this is Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable your notifications in Wise application. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the Wise application, simply open the application by entering your fingerprints or passcode. Then you just simply have to tap to your profile picture after coming into this home page. And now after coming into the home page, you will get to see this setting option under general. Tap to setting option and then tap to this notifications option into settings. After tapping into notification, it will give a bunch of options into here. You can select or customize the notifications which you want to enable or disable. If you want to disable all the notifications from Wise application, simply disable this toggle for allow notification. Then your notification will successfully be disabled. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.